Hey there, barbecue lovers. Are you ready to discover the top 5 best Weber grills of 2025? Whether you're grilling up steaks for the family or hosting the ultimate backyard barbecue, we've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the best Weber grills you can buy right now, tested, ranked, and reviewed to help you make the perfect choice. But here's the thing, not all grills are created equal, and some might shock you. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure to check the description for all the product links and exclusive deals. Let's get grilling. Number 1. Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. The Traveler is a great portable camping grill with a pop-up stand that also functions as a wheeled cart for moving it around. It has a 13,000 BTU burner under the enamel-coated cast iron grates, which heat quickly and retain that heat. This led to nice grill marks and caramelization on hamburgers and onions. The Traveler has more cooking space than the Q1200, but the two are equally easy to use, having a single control knob to regulate the heat. The pop-up stand takes little effort, and the wheels make moving the grill from the car to the cooking spot simple. The Traveler requires assembly, a job that took us about 15 minutes, and given its heat retention, it cooled quickly, making it easier to pack after cooking. We suggest taking out the grill grates to scrub them, though, as cleaning them made the entire setup shake. Number 2. Weber Genesis E325's 3-burner gas grill. The Genesis E325's is a griller's grill, capable of a full range of grilling tasks and techniques. It's solidly built and has 4 wheels for easy rolling, with 2 wheels having locking mechanisms to hold it in place. We liked its sizable searing zone for high-heat cooking, it fits about 20 burgers, and how well it held low temperatures for slow-roasting foods. Its built-in thermometer provided accurate readings in our tests. We found a slight variation in heat between the center and outsides of the grill, though more noticeable with the lid open. We also needed to turn up the heat to produce a distinct char. In the end, these issues were minor, as the E325's topped our list of the best gas grills. Number 3. Weber Q1200 Portable Gas Grill. The Weber Q1200 is a longtime favorite. It's a portable grill with full-size performance, thanks to its enamel cast iron grates and a single, circular burner that ensures even heating across the cooking area. It stood out in multiple tests for excellent heat retention and quick recovery time. There were also minimal flare-ups and no excessive charring or undercooked spots during cooking tests. With a cooking area of 189 square inches, the Q1200 holds about 4 burgers. It's small enough to pack and transport easily, and it was pretty easy to clean. Its biggest design flaw is its weight, coming in at 31 pounds. But the weight is also a product of the features that make it perform well, so we consider it a reasonable trade-off. Number 4. Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. The original Kettle still holds a place of honor in the grill world. The secret to heat control is the top and bottom dampers that form convection during cooking. That control and responsiveness, combined with its heat-retaining design, results in intense, high heat for searing or low and slow smoke. In our tests, this looked like caramelized steaks with light grill marks and tender ribs with a defined smoke ring beneath a dark bark. The original's bottom damper also serves as part of the ash management system, scraping spent ash into a detachable unit at the bottom for easy disposal. That said, adjusting the dampers presented a learning curve. Other drawbacks were the grill's clumsy lid and inaccurate temperatures on the dome thermometer. Number 5. Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill. The Performer has the appearance of an upgraded original Kettle. It includes a cart with a work table, a charcoal storage bin, and a sensible lid-holding rack. An ignition system replaces the need for a chimney starter. The grate has a removable center, meant for adding a pizza stone or other Weber cooking accessories. While beginners may look for a more basic model, we'd argue that the Performer's features make it approachable for grillers of all levels. The Performer also has original's top and bottom damper arrangement, which allows for high-heat cooking and serves as an excellent smoker in low-heat applications. Its temperature fluctuated no more than 20 degrees over 6.5 hours of smoking. The hinged sides and pop-out center of the grate are nice for adding charcoal while cooking. We found it difficult, however, to use these to arrange or bank the coals without burning ourselves, as it required us to remove the entire grate for safety. And that's a wrap on the top 5 best Weber grills of 2025. Which one are you grabbing for your next barbecue session? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your fellow grill enthusiasts, and subscribe for more sizzling content. Oh, and remember, all the product links are waiting for you in the description. Until next time, keep grilling, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video.